guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my daughter's nails. As you can see, I have not done them in a while, and she begged me to do her nails, so that is what I'm going to do. Right now I am just taking my ball bit and going around the cuticle area and just removing any of that excess cuticle. And then I'm going to go in with my cuticle scissors and remove any of that extra cuticle as well. So for this set, I'm going to be using these full covered nail tips from AliExpress. They're supposed to be gel, so we are going to put them to the test. For the bend test, I'm just checking to see if it still leaves that mark in the middle, and it did not. It was bendable at the cuticle and hard at the bottom, which is great. So once I've already sized them, now because I am doing the Gel X method, I am going in with the ball bit just to buff the inside of the nail, which is where the nail bed will be. So I just do that for all of the nails. And then I am going to take my hand file and round out the sides, and I just do this because it fits the natural nail bed a little bit more better. Sometimes the nails look more squarish, and you know, our nails are more rounded, so that is why I do this step. Now I'm going to finish prepping her nails by using my Young Nails Protein Bond. And then I'm going to use my Macart base coat and cure that for 60 seconds before I do the Gel X method. So now I'm taking my Beetles nail glue, which is a gel nail glue, and I am basically putting it inside the well and then taking a little bit and putting it by the cuticle area so that when I hold it up against the nail, I am holding it at a 45-degree angle and then just pushing it down and making sure that the gel covers the entire nail bed and not too much, making sure that it does not spill out. And then using this my LED lamp that right here that you can see, it's very convenient when doing Gel X. I definitely recommend it for this method. It is makes your life so much more easier than trying to hold a nail and place it in your typical LED lamp. So I definitely recommend this for the Gel X method. Like I said, it makes it so much easier. And now I could just continue to do this method for the rest of the nails. So now this is how they look. These are some square medium, and I think these look so good. Now I'm just going to go in and file the sides a little bit, just to make sure that there's nothing on the sides. And then also I'm going to file the free edge to make sure that the free edge is as straight as possible. And now sometimes you might get some spillage from the gel. So I just go around the cuticle area with my cuticle ball bit and just make sure that the cuticle is flushed, and also removing any of that excess spillage around that area. So now I'm going in with my nail buffer and buffing out all of the nails. Next, I'm taking my Kiara Sky Nude Swings, which is one of my favorite nudes to use. And I'm just going to place a thin layer for all of the nails, and do that 2 times and individually cure that for 60 seconds. So now for my nail design, she wanted orange. So we are going in with my Madam Glam Give Me Pie. And we decided for the design that we were going to do this French design, but with like swirls. I do not know how to explain it. But it's been a trendy design that's going around, and it's like a French, but it has like swirl lines all over it. So she saw it and she just, wanted me to do it. So I said, okay, this will be good. I can't wait to try it and see how it works out. And I like it. It was actually really cute, a really fun, simple, cute design. So here I'm just going to do that for all of the nails. And now to give it a little sparkle, she wanted some pearls. So these are the pearls that I got from Shein. These are the white pearls, I believe they're called. And we're just going to put one on each finger by the cuticle area just to make it a little cute, you know, something simple but cute. And once I'm done with that, I just put that in the light and cure that for 60 seconds. And then after that is done, I'm going to go in with my Madam Glam top coat and top coat all of the nails and cure that for 60 seconds. And I'm so sorry guys if the nails, some of the parts was out of the camera. As you can see, I always have to like pull my daughter's hand into the camera because she loves to move it away and pull it back. She doesn't realize that I'm trying to make a video here and that I need her hand in the camera so you guys, my lovely followers, can see exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, like I said, sorry about that guys, and let's see how the final look and how it turned out. And this is how they look. I think these came out so cute. These are definitely adorable. I cannot wait to see how they hold up the nails. Hopefully they last pretty long and they hold up well. They do not break. They seem very sturdy, you know, and don't seem weak. So that's a good thing. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.